Albert Einstein was born in 1879 in Germany, the first child of Jewish couple. Albert Einstein did not speak until 3 years of age, and it took him several more years after that before he could speak fluently. He could not read until he was 7 years of age in elementary school. It was a struggle for him, which led to many people suspecting him of being retarded. It has been told that when his school teachers asked him a question, he took forever to answer, even silently, mouthing the words to himself before slowly speaking them out loud. In fact, many people believed Einstein would never succeed anything. Einstein did not give it on his higher education, but continued to face difficulties at every turn. He applied to the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology but failed the entrance exam and had to take it a second time for he was admitted to the school. The school even rejected his doctoral dissertation and called it irrelevant and fanciful, which I would suspect came back to haunt them years later, when his brilliance was evident to the entire world. After he finally graduated from college, he got a job as a clerk in a patent office. He said that he liked that job because it was mostly mindless and allowed him free time study and research scientific theories he was working on time. He stayed in this job for a while, but continued being very absent-minded. It is said that he often forgot simple things such as making sure he put on his socks before shoes, and it is also told that he once misplaced their payroll check because he used it as a bookmark in his research. Regardless of all Einstein's setbacks and rejection by the general public and education, he continued his studies, experimentation, and work on his theories. In fact, it was not until after one of Einstein's first theories, the special theory of relativity, was published that the scientific community and the world truly recognized his great talents. However, even then, many scientists throughout the world ridiculed him and attacked his theories, calling them worthless and useless, and even going as far as saying that Einstein does not have a logical mind. In true Einstein fashion, he went on to become a professor at the university in Zurich and later a professor of theoretical physics at Prague. He then went on to prove to all of the doubting, ridiculing scientists throughout the world that he did have a brilliant mind by winning the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921.